Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, the go-to place for all things tech. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of operating systems. From the early days of computing to the advanced systems we use today, join me on a journey through the development of operating systems. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest tech content. Let's get started. To truly appreciate the modern operating systems we have today, it's crucial to understand their roots. Our story begins in the 1950s, the dawn of computing. Back then, computers were room-sized machines, and programming them was a complex task. Early operating systems. Early operating systems were minimalistic and primarily focused on managing the hardware. One notable example is the batch processing system, where users submitted jobs on punched cards, and the computer executed them in sequence. Fast forward to the 1960s, and we see the emergence of time-sharing systems, allowing multiple users to interact with the computer simultaneously. The rise of personal computers. The 1970s witnessed the birth of personal computers, and with them came operating systems like CP/M and MS-DOS. These systems laid the foundation for user-friendly interfaces and the command line interfaces we were all familiar with. Graphical user interfaces. Enter the 1980s and 1990s, the graphical revolution. Apple's Macintosh introduced the concept of a graphical user interface, making computers more accessible to the general public. Microsoft followed suit with Windows, creating a rivalry that shaped the computing landscape for decades. The open source movement. The late 20th century also saw the rise of the open source movement. Linux, born out of the mind of Linus Torvalds, became a powerful force, emphasizing collaboration and community-driven development. Today, Linux is at the core of many systems, from servers to embedded devices. The mobile era. As we entered the 21st century, the rise of smartphones brought a new chapter in operating system development. iOS and Android emerged, dominating the mobile landscape and pushing the boundaries of what operating systems could achieve in terms of mobility, connectivity, and user experience. Modern operating systems. Fast forward to today, and we find ourselves in the era of sophisticated operating systems like Windows 10, Mac OS, and various Linux distributions. These systems seamlessly integrate with cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and other cutting-edge technologies. Looking ahead. So, what's next for operating systems? With the increasing importance of virtual reality, augmented reality, and the Internet of Things, the development of operating systems is set to evolve further. The future promises even more seamless integration, enhanced security, and exciting innovations. And there you have it, a brief journey through the development of operating systems. From humble beginnings to the sophisticated systems we use today, it's clear that operating systems play a crucial role in shaping our digital experiences. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your tech-savvy friends, and let us know in the comments which operating system you're using right now. Until next time, happy computing!